and work touched every one of us in a lasting and impactful way. Because of his love for the people of Kenya and his unflagging patriotism, he sacrificed his personal comfort and happiness to secure stability and unity at all times in the history of our country. As a teacher evangelist who improbably and reluctantly entered political leadership and excelled in it, Mzee had no time to prepare or learn outside the job. His genuine concern, selflessness, loyalty, and sincerity, however, enabled him to acquire staying power and attract the support of millions of patriots. We will never forget Mzee's legendary personal discipline and determination to serve God all the days of his life, and the lessons as well as the example he has set for us must enable us to strive to excel in our time. He taught and mentored many into leadership, myself being one of them. Despite several constraints imposed by local, regional, and international circumstances, President Moi determination ensured that Kenya never stumbled or slipped into the precipice that engulfs so many other nations. Instead, he strengthened the post-independence Kenya, consolidated our sense of nationhood, and expanded public service to reach all parts of Kenya, including the historically marginalized. He was passionate about spreading education to the marginalized communities, and his devotion to the girl child is a blessed legacy that will live with Kenya forever. It is now impossible to imagine a time when high dropout rates, early pregnancy and marriage, and rampant girl child circumcision were an overwhelming norm in this country. Against the expectations of many, President Moi led the reforms that enabled Kenya to enjoy vigorous de facto and de jure multi-party democracy as well as civil and political freedoms. He submitted himself to presidential term limits, graciously entering a dignified retirement. God has been kind to him as he enjoyed many peaceful years outside the presidency of Kenya. Mzee Moi's life and service is an undeniable legacy of success against daunting odds. It is also a challenge to our generation to rise up to the great responsibility of serious nation building, to have the courage to face our challenges without blinking, and to use his fine example to take Kenya forward. It is sad to say goodbye to a man whose legacy we all feel, and we thank the Almighty God for the gift of Mzee Moi's leadership. In this sad moment of great loss, therefore, let us still rejoice because of what he did for his countrymen and women. We pray for God to comfort the entire Moi family with divine solace, as well as the nation of Kenya. May his soul rest in peace. Thank you very much. Maybe at this point in time, I would also want to say that because of the enormity of what has befallen us as a country with the passing on of President Moi, the head of public service has taken charge to provide leadership on the process that His Excellency the President has directed that will lead to a state funeral for our late president. and all other details will be communicated by government in due course. Thank you very much.
Ni ndumiriri ya Deputy President William Ruto agithii na mbere na kuruta ofisini gwake igimainie na gikuu kia uria wari President Daniel Toroitich arap Moi na akiuga ni gugukorwo na mathiko ma githirikari maria megukorwo makihariririo ni undu wa kumuhe gitio kia muisho Daniel Toroitich arap Moi mutigaire. Tugikuririkania ati uhoro ucio ukorirwo ukiumira muthenya wa umuthi kuria ndumiriri erutirwo President Uhuru Muigai wa Kenyatta, na thutha ucio twakiona mwana wake Gideon Moi agithii na mbere na gukorwo akiaria uhoro ucio, na twakiona atongoria magithii kuria nyumba-ini ya kuiga miri ya funeral kuria meguthiaga na mbere ona kuo guthi kwirorera mwiri. Ndumiriri igakorwo igikiuma kundu na kundu itoka kundu gutiganite nginyagia kuria Uasin Gishu, twina Duncan Wanga kuria Nyeri, na turathi na mbere na kunyitanira mundu wothe ukigaruruka muthenya wa umuthi na bururi ugakorwo ugicakaya na o ndumwe na gukunguira gikuũ kia President Toroitich arap Moi, na ni gukenerera tondu ndi gukunguira ni miaka 96 kuma riria agiciarirwo. Thiini wa studio twina Solomon Kuria uria arathii na mbere na gututhathaurira, na hihi Dona Deputy President ndaririkana ni murutwo wa mutigaire ni maundu mariku Ruto athomete na hihi mambaniriirie hana Moi, na ni maundu mariku athomete?
Mundu gwitwo Ruto mambanirie na Moi tene muno, gwiciria ari university ya Nairobi, na kiuma hau we mari na Jirongo ni kuririkana inde ya YK 92 hindi yo niguo mundu gwitwo Ruto ndugu yao kana kunyitana kwao na mundu gwitwo Moi kwagacirire muno 1992 magithondeka YK 92, na magithondeka YK 92 ni kuririkana 1982 Moi ni ageretie kugarurwo na Moi ni ari na uregani munene muno atongagio kuma gicigo ya gatagati wa bururi na no nginya riu angethire alternative tondu riu andu aria mamuringaga muno kumurumia ri ni athuri na atumia. Moi akiona ni wega riu ethe ngwataniro na ethe support na kana kunyitwo mbaru ni anake na ni ho Ruto atongoririe gikundi kia anake kia YK 92.
Yes.
Na patron wao aetagwo Cyrus Jirongo.
Yes.
Na magithiururuka bururi uyu muno na uhoro ucio ni watumire nginya ona Ruto agathurwo
niguo
mubunge wa Eldoret North.
Yes.
1997 niguo aingirire bunge ria mbere
1997
na kuma hindi yo nginya umuthi ndari aumanwo no tongoria. In fact negoka okaga araicete tondu riu agithii uguo 1997 2002 agithurwo ringi 2007 agithurwo ninge rikurikana riria mari na mundu gwitwo Raila Amolo Odinga na 2013 arakiambata riu nginya haria akiri ari Deputy President.
Ni murutwo mwega na ni maundu mariku akoretwo agiportray maria athomire kumana na utongoria wa mutigairi?
Wa mbere kindu kia mbere na kiria andu a thikũ ici matoi na kiria anake tarika ria kwa matoi mati appreciate kindu gitagwo na githungu loyalty.
Yes.
Loyalty kwihokeka kuri mundu ucio we
wa gufundithiria
ucio kunyitaga guoko ucio guo mundu wiho kunyitaga guoko akuonia gacira na arakunyita tondu mundu ni arakwenda na arenda ukinyukie makinya macio mangi me hau mbere ni arona wina potential kiria kaingi gitumaga na kaitu tota network ni wathi weciria riu haha ngaha nyitotwo guoko hena handu hangi hena ngima nene ugatengera ho ukaga loyalty kindu kimwe ingirani na Ruto na even his excellency the president tondu ona hindi yo ya 1997 noguo onake njata yake yarungagwo ni mundu gwitwo Moi kuma branch manager wa kiama gia KANU guka kuingira riu bunge nake nominated member of parliament na magiturwo guo ni Moi magioka uguo nginya riu hau makinyite na ni andu aingi Moi aturite na ni wega atongoria aria mari ku riu ndagikeno the current generation mamenye atiriri Moi ni amufundithia lesson imwe nene muno ati ugithie kuritaya kana ugithie gutiga wira ucio we uraruta umuthiri no watiga wafundithia uguo wikaga.
True.
Moi ni atigire mundu gwitwo Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka ni ukumenya nake ari mundu wa kanu muno na ni andu anene muno umuthi andu ta Mudavadi Mario manaruta wira na Moi mundu ta William Ruto deputy president wa bururi na his excellency the president koguo no urore wone ati arutwo aria mari arutwo a Moi age siasa ri ni mathiete nginya level ria nene muno iria we nginya Moi we mwene ari umuthi uyu thina uria raturia ta bururi ri ni ati andu aria marugamiriire mawira manene ri wathi wakora ni ta MD wa bengi ona kamundu kena leadership skills kamundu kangirugamirira nginya bengi yo ri arakaringiro haria thi arakaringiro haria thi handu ha kumumenta oke amumentete ugwa amumentete ati agithi kuma ri institution iyo gucoka ametige ki moko-ini mega
no kuringana no guo kugite mbere kuria no nyende kumenya andu aria trainable meha tondu ni woguo horo wa loyalty na ni urakiona thiini wa utongoria wa president Uhuru Muigai wa Kenyatta kuri andu maheirwo tuwira andu fulani kamweke andu amwe twakoragwo na media no gagikora mundu ria keri anyitwo na ungumania kuri mundu waikio mundu etagwo Joy anyitirwo na ungumania na arutitwo na gukumukira. Do you think anake mena no manengererio mantoria kwa hote na hihi ni maundu mariku magirire kwambiririo?
Ni ndreciria president Uhuru Kenyatta ri ni athikagiriria rwimbo rwiho rwa Moi ndirari kana ritwa riake kana etagwo Samike kana etagwo atia Ngai wa ihinda ringi ati ndangeta Ngai wa ihinda ringi ndangieterera ati mbeo yake huke aca ni ahea mundu second chance na nikio ronire riu ati ona kwagia tumundu tu wekite na hau agathura andu magacoka magathi makaria mbeca ri riu ni aracokire aroya anake mugwanja aracoka aramaikia thirikari-ini haria iguru ti haha uguo gwetherera ite cia assistant ministers na aramatwara kure school Kenya School of Government mathie ma interact na nene aya angi mathomithio uria thirikari itwarithagio na ki na mbere na kuma umuthi nginya 2022 megukorwo hau na ni na mamati gubutwo megukorwo hau mathomithio uria thirikari itwarithagio na mbere uria lobbying ya thirikari ekagwo uria institution ciranagwo cia thirikari iria marugamiriire gukinya 2022 ndina ma Uhuru agithie kuritaya agithie kuma andu acio ni magakorwo nao manyitirire manto na magakorwo mahite wega u ati onao no moite ingene na gukira ki ukira hau koguo ni araheire anake another chance tondu nake ni araririkana wega muno. By the way mugitha kabisa haha cia Uhuru hindi iyo mathi ya mucamanio hindi yo 1997 uthake mbica wone Uhuru ri aha
ari na kagoti kangi kahanaga rua ari mucune neini nari na mukiha kaihu muno
na ru ucoke ru oe mbica iyo ya Uhuru ru ucoke umirigithanie na riu uri hana ni ukuona nake Moi ni amuete na Moi ni ahurirwo bara yari nene muno
niguo
akiragwo atirire he oya mundu tari experience oya mundu tari na kiria ange makiruta statement ta Saitoti makiuga there comes a time when the nation is bigger than one person.
Yes.
Ati ni gukaga ihinda ati bururi-ini munene gukira mundu umwe. Othe merekeire Uhuru. Kunina mwanake. No Moi ndagwagwire. Tondu ni onaga mwanake uyu ndagika ya mwico hari andu weka atia.
Agakinya. Na ni weka wega ni undu wa kuhutiriria maundu ma githomo ni tugucokereria tukiuma umuthi live kuria mwena wa Eldoret wa Singishu. Ni makorirwo makiaria athuri akuru hau atatano uguo na ni maririirio horo wa githomo na makiuga ndari muthomu na ni amekiire maundu mani tugukorwo tukihutia maundu maria yekiria andu akwao na uhoro wigie utongoria na maundu megie githomo. Good morning, tugithie na mbere na kunyitanira na Solomon Kuria tugithie na mbere na gukungwira gukua kwa mutigaire Daniel Toroi teacher RIPMOI uri uhurukire muthenya wa umuthi no kiririkana hau kabere ati ni akoretwo akihanyukio thibitari na kuringana na ndumiriri iria twamukire ni akwiriire Nairobi Hospital na ndumiriri iyo rutirwo ni President Uhuru Muigai wa Kenyatta. Thaici no akiona Deputy President ni akorwo kiruta ndumiriri yake thaici imwe kwa imwe kuma ofisini ciake, na ni akiuga ni mundu wa gukunguirwo tondu ni agikoretwo agitongoria na muno agakiuga utongoria wake, na akiuga thirikari ni rahaririria mathiko ma githirikari nigetha gukorwo makimuhe gitio kia muico ta murumwe wa atongoria thiini wa bururi uyu. Ni nyonire hau kabere Musalia Mudavadi onake no guthia na mbere na kwaria na ni tuma na mwana wake Gideon Moi. Ukiririkana Moi arari na ciana inyanya na ni makorirwo magitigana na mutumia wake mwaka wa 2004 etagwo Lena, na ni akoretwo agikara o uguo na ni akoretwo gwa ica ikuhi agumirwo ni ndwari nigetha akihuruka muthenya wa umuthi. Tugukorwo tukimutiga na ndumiriri ya mwana wake Gideon Moi na nigetha tukorwo tugicokereria ikereka riu ringi. Ugithie na mbere na gucakaya ni ndirona andu aingi mandikite thiini wa Facebook, Kameme TV Kenya, Instagram Kameme TV Kenya, Twitter @Kameme TV Kenya. Niguthie na mbere na guthoma ndumiriri ciaku, ndugathie haraya ni turacokereria,
kwa sababu dunia hii imeenda ukabila.